Hi, I'm Ann from Cool Tears magazine. Skottles, like this one from Tempo Tusk, are all the rage in the overlanding community. So in this series, we are trying to leave our cook stove at home and see if we can skottle different things. The title of this series is Will It Skottle? Today, cornbread. Okay, so in order to bake with this thing, you need a couple of things. A tray and a lid. And this is the accessory kit that you can purchase for the Tempo Tusk Skottle. Getting ready to mix up my batter, but first I want to preheat my oven. So I'm going to add a little water. Put the rack on. Create some steam for our cornbread. There we go. So we're going to fill our pan. You can use a 9-inch pie pan. You can reuse a foil pie pan or even silicone muffin tins. Let's switch out for a spoon. Hopefully I didn't overmix this. I tend to overmix a little bit. Okay. Okay, so I was just thinking some bacon in this would be really amazing. Or how about green chilies, right? Cornbread will usually take 20 to 25 minutes in your oven. So we're going to check it at 20 minutes today and see what it looks like. I don't know if it's going to brown. And I'm also a little concerned concerned about condensation dripping down from the lid. So we'll see what happens. If you don't have a toothpick, just feel it, make sure that it feels firm. I would let it go another 2 minutes and then we'll pull it up. I think it looks great. It's actually better than I expected. Took 31 minutes altogether, and as you can see, it didn't brown, but we did get a nice rise and just feels really nice. See how it tastes. Cornbread Skottle? Sure does. It was way better than I expected to. So it was moist, well risen, and delicious. So what's next? Send us some ideas. We're up for the challenge.